तेलंगाना बने जब से कह रहा हूं कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हमारे तेलंगाना का शेयर नहीं दे रही है, एंड इट स्टिल कंटिन्यूज सर. सर, in fact, it has become a customary for me to recall in every budget session how the central government has been doing in just by denying its rightful share to Telangana state in the devolution of central taxes and granting aid for central scheme and central sponsored schemes, sir. I have also been demanding every time that the state should fight for its right and for the central government to give its due share to the state, sir. Sir, I may recall on 8th March, the Deputy Chief Minister Saab held a meeting with state MPs on the state government proposal and issues pending with the government of India. A total of 152 issues are pending with 24 ministries of the central government for years together, sir. For years together, sir. I hope that my learned friends from Bharatiya Janata Party would really pursue these issues, sir. The Honorable CM Saab and other state ministers have been making frequent trips to Delhi to seek clearances for projects and resolve the pending issues over the last 15 months, but with little success, sir. Sir, again I would say, my learned friend from BJP, they always talk about changing names. Earlier also they have spoken about changing the name of Osmania University. Fine, I mean it might be your ideology, आपकी सोच होगी, ठीक है, आपको मुबारक जरूर करिए, लेकिन मैं उनसे दरखास्त करूंगा सर, ये जो 152 इश्यूज 24 मिनिस्ट्री सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में है, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा तवज्जो दीजिए, थोड़ा जाकर इस पे करिए, स्टेट का अच्छा होगा, गवर्नमेंट को अच्छा होगा, हमारे स्टेट का फायदा होगा, इस पे चीखिए, इस पे चिल्लाइए, इस पे जद्दोजहद करिए, इस पे कोशिश करिए कि ये मसले हल हो, बट इस पर नहीं करते. अगर कोशिश होती है तो बांटने की, कोशिश होती है तो डिवाइड करने की, कोशिश होती है तो मजहब के नाम पे अलग करने की, कोशिश होती है तो नफरत के जरिए दूर करने की. अरे आप मोहब्बत के जरिए करीब लाइए, एक दूसरे को करीब लाइए और स्टेट को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए करें. सर, द अदर डे आई केम अक्रॉस अ स्टेटमेंट, सर, मैं स्टेटमेंट फॉर रेवंत रेड्डी साहब, when he has quoted 39 times, sir. I will fly 99 times to Delhi, sir. Every time I visit the capital clearance and being secured for different projects and issues, if needed be, I will stage protests in Delhi to obtain funds, sir. So I hope that the CM sir would not have to score a century to Delhi to visit to obtain clearances, resolve issues and obtain higher quantum of central funds, sir. So I had expected that our CM Saab would be able to get all the issues with the central government resolved with a handful of meeting with the Prime Minister and other union ministers, sir. Sir, I hope that a better sense would prevail on the powers that be at the Delhi to accord expeditious clearances and resolve all the pending issues without any delay to ensure justice to Telangana state, sir. However, Mr. Revan Reddy Saab is always trying his level best, sir, and I would say that I also remember that Revan Reddy Saab had said Bade Bhai is not coming to the rescue of Chote Bhai. Now it's high time that Bade Bhai should come to the rescue of Chote Bhai, sir, and that is right, and I hope that the Bade Bhai would really come and the Bade Bhai's teammates will really go together and say the Bade Bhai to help the Chote Bhai, sir. So in the budget session in July last year, sir, the Assembly had discussed and passed a resolution on the issue of discrimination shown to Telangana in the central budget, sir. After a year also the situation remained the same and the central government continues to display discriminatory attitude towards Telangana in respect of clearance of pending projects and proposals and release of central funds and granting aid, sir. Sir, I had expected the governor's address to contain the reference of injustice and discrimination attitude of the central government towards Telangana state, but unfortunately, sir, no such reference has been found in the governor's address. And also, sir, I thought this omission is not deliberate and that it will be rectified in the state budget. I was expecting, sir, that it would be rectified in the state budget, but the Deputy Chief Minister has found it expedient to maintain a silence in the central government's tight-fisted policy towards Telangana in his elaborate budget speech, sir. Ek lafz nahi bole, sir. Not a single word in the budget speech, sir. Isn't it sad for the state, sir? So the government has to come clear and say that where all the injustice is being done to the state, where all the state is losing its funds, sir, its money. Are we not paying GST, sir? Are we not paying the higher taxes, sir? Then why are we not mentioning it in the budget speech, sir? It is very sad, sir. Sir, when we go and when we see the 16th Finance Commission, sir, the Finance Minister recalled that Telangana government has submitted a comprehensive report to the 16th Finance Commission urging a fair share to central government devolution to the state by increasing the share of state from the current 41% to 50%. He has pointed out that Telangana share in the central devolution has declined from 2.43% under the 14th Finance Commission to 2.10% under the 15th Finance Commission. Sir, I may point out that when 16th Finance Commission held a consultation with all parties on 9 September 2024 Hyderabad, our party MIM has made detailed presentations, sir, on the raw deal meted out of Telangana state, sir. Sir, I had represented, sir,